Ever wondered why a baseball curves when you throw it? It's all about projectile physics, and I'm here to break it down. Have you ever wondered why a football arcs through the air instead of flying straight or dropping straight down? That graceful curve is the result of a fundamental principle in physics known as projectile motion. When an object is thrown, launched, or projected into the air and is only influenced by gravity and air resistance, it follows a curved path, specifically a parabolic trajectory. This happens due to the combination of two separate motions, horizontal and vertical. When you launch an object, like throwing a ball, it moves forward because of its initial speed. This is the horizontal motion. At the same time, gravity begins pulling it downward, creating vertical motion. The magic lies in how these two motions combine. The horizontal speed stays mostly constant, while the vertical speed changes due to gravity. It slows the object as it rises, stops it momentarily at the peak, then accelerates it back down. Even though gravity pulls objects straight down, the forward momentum carries them outward, creating the smooth or curved path we see. This motion can be predicted precisely using physics equations, making projectile motion a key concept in fields like sports science, animation, engineering, and even space exploration. Whether you're kicking a soccer ball, calculating a cannonball's path, or programming the physics of a character in a video game, understanding this motion gives you incredible insight into how the physical world operates. By studying why objects curve in motion, we unlock the secret patterns that govern movement all around us. Next, air resistance. It slows things down and changes their path. So next time you see a curveball, you'll know the science behind it. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of physics.